Hello and welcome. In this short video, we'll show you how to complete your self-guided orientation using Canvas. The first thing you need to know is that you do not need to log in with any credentials. You will receive a direct link that takes you straight to the orientation course. Once you click on the link, you'll see the Canvas course open in your browser. On the left-hand menu, you will see two important links labeled Home and Modules. Let's begin with Home. Here you'll see a large image that says Start Here. Click the image to begin the orientation. Once you've read the content carefully and have watched any videos on the page, you will click on the Next button located at the bottom of the page to move forward. Each section has a Next and Previous button to help you move easily between pages. Here's the Previous button, and here's the Next button. Please note that some sections may have multiple tabs. You will need to navigate to these different tabs to get all of the information. For example, here we have a tab that's labeled Instructions. Then we have another tab labeled Canvas, and another tab, if I click on it, it's labeled Nearpod. So there's three different set of information on each one of these tabs. Before you click on the button labeled Next at the bottom of the page, you will need to review the information in all three tabs. Now, if you click on the Modules link, you will be able to see the entire course displayed in one page. The first section is Getting Started. Then you have Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, and last but not least, the Congratulations page. If you need to stop and return at a later time, just be sure to write down the section that you left off on. Hello and welcome. In this short video, we'll show you how to complete your self-guided orientation using Canvas. The first thing you'll need to know is that you do not need to log in with any credentials. You will receive a direct link that takes you straight to the course, the orientation course. Once you click on the link, you'll see Canvas course open in your browser. On the left-hand side of the menu, you'll see two important links labeled Home and Modules. Let's begin with Home. Under the Home section, you will see a large image that is labeled Start Here. Click the image to begin the orientation. Once you have watched the video and read the content carefully, you would click on the Next button at the bottom of the page so you can move forward. Each section has a Next button and a Previous button to help you move easily between pages. Please note that some sections may have multiple tabs, so you will need to navigate to each one. For example, here we have three tabs, one labeled Instructions, one labeled Canvas, and one labeled as Nearpod. If you click on these tabs, there's different information in each tab. It is necessary for you to read the information in all three tabs before clicking on the Next button at the bottom of the page. Now we will review the Modules link. If you click on the Modules link, the entire course will be displayed to you, and it includes the following parts: Getting Started, Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, and Module 4. Last but not least, the Congratulations section. If you need to stop and return later, write down the name of the module you are on. For example, we were previously in the Getting Started section under Welcome. So if you do need to return, you would click on the Module section and then click on Welcome. That will take you directly to where you left off. Canvas includes a tool called Immersive Reader to help you understand better. Look for the Immersive Reader button at the top of the page and click on it. Here, it provides the text in a clear way, and you are able to hear the text read out loud to you by clicking on the play button at the bottom of the page. You may also adjust the speed of the reader by making the person read as fast as a bunny or as slow as a turtle. You may also select the voice between a female voice or a male voice. To have this translated to your home language, you would click on the icon that looks like a book. This is where your reading preferences are. If we click on this icon, under Translate, you can choose a home language between all of these options. I will be choosing Spanish. Once you choose the language, you could choose to translate the entire document or one word at a time. Now, if I change the entire document, you would click on the X. Then here, I would click play and listen to the information in my home language. You may also change the font by clicking on this icon that has two A's. You could adjust the font to be larger or smaller, change the font style, or change the theme or the background color. Once you have completed each section, to return back to the page, you will click on the arrow on the left-hand side of the screen. That will lead you right back to where you left off. Some pages have YouTube videos. To view them with subtitles in your language, you will need to click on the video, click on the gear, which is the settings. Here, you will choose subtitles. You will choose auto translate. And under auto translate, you could choose between all of these languages. I will go ahead and select Spanish. Once you've made your selection, you can just click outside of the page, close these additional videos that pop up, and just click play. So now we have subtitles in our home language. Now you can understand the video more clearly. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll complete the orientation successfully. If you have any questions or get stuck, just contact our office. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your orientation.